Hi guys, this is Tanya and today I will be reviewing this Plum Green Tea Renewed Clarity Night Gel. Now this one is a boon for all those people with oily skin and acne prone skin. The Plum Green Tea Renewed Clarity Night Gel comes in a compact 50 ml tube. It has a light gel texture and comprises non-comedogenic ingredients that ensures hydration without making your skin greasy. The gel comprises of green tea, argan oil, licorice, and organic aloe vera gel, all of which help smoothen your skin texture. To use the gel, make sure you start on clean skin. Dot all over your face using your fingertips and massage until it is completely absorbed. The gel is also 100% vegan, paraben-free, sulfate-free, and not tested on animals. You can use this gel as a day cream or night cream or any time in between the day when your skin is feeling dehydrated. It has all natural ingredients giving your skin hydration and nourishment